In today's fast-paced world, many people are looking for ways to reconnect with nature, even within their homes. One of the easiest and most beautiful ways to do that is by incorporating natural materials into your decor. Wood sticks, branches, and small pieces of natural wood carry an organic beauty that manufactured decor often lacks. Their imperfect shapes, earthy colors, and unique textures tell a story of nature itself. When arranged creatively, these humble materials can turn a plain wall into a striking piece of art. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets nature, and simple materials are transformed into beautiful ideas for modern living. Today's video is all about discovering the charm and artistic potential of something incredibly simple yet wonderfully inspiring: wood sticks from nature. The video, Nature-Inspired Wood Stick Wall Art Decor Ideas for Stylish Modern Homes, explores how these natural elements can become stunning wall decor that adds warmth, texture, and personality to any space. In this video, you'll discover a collection of nature-inspired wood stick wall art and decor ideas that showcase how simple sticks can become elegant, artistic wall features. Some designs highlight the raw beauty of natural wood, while others explore creative arrangements that form geometric shapes, abstract patterns, or sculptural displays. Each idea demonstrates how natural materials can elevate modern interiors while maintaining a warm and inviting atmosphere. Before we dive into these inspiring designs, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor, like the video, and share it with friends who love creative home decor ideas. Your support helps this channel continue bringing you fresh inspiration for beautiful and unique living spaces. Now, let's explore how nature's simplest elements can transform your walls into stunning works of art. What makes wood stick wall art so special is its versatility. It can blend seamlessly with many interior styles, from modern minimalist spaces to rustic homes, from cozy boho interiors to contemporary apartments. A thoughtfully designed wood stick arrangement can add depth and character to your living room, bring a calming natural vibe to your bedroom, or create a welcoming focal point in an entryway or hallway. Another reason these ideas are so inspiring is their connection to sustainability and creativity. Many beautiful decor pieces can be made from reclaimed wood, fallen branches, or leftover natural materials. Instead of letting these pieces of nature go to waste, they can be transformed into stylish decor that celebrates both creativity and environmental awareness. It's a wonderful reminder that sometimes the most beautiful design elements are already around us, we just need to see them differently. If you enjoy decor that feels authentic, calming, and connected to nature, you're going to love the inspiration shared in this video. These ideas are perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates creative and meaningful decor. Whether you're planning to refresh a room or simply gathering ideas for future projects, these wood stick art concepts can spark your imagination and help you see natural materials in a whole new way. As you explore the world of nature-inspired wood stick wall art, you begin to notice how something so simple can completely transform the atmosphere of a space. The beauty of wood sticks lies in their natural imperfections. Each curve, knot, and texture tells a story that no factory-made decor can replicate. When thoughtfully arranged, these organic elements create a visual harmony that feels both calming and artistically refined. One of the most captivating approaches is to embrace asymmetry, allowing sticks of different lengths and thicknesses to form a free-flowing composition. This style works beautifully in modern homes where clean lines dominate, as it introduces a soft, natural contrast that breaks the rigidity of structured design. In many interiors, empty walls can feel cold or unfinished, but wood stick art offers a way to fill that space without overwhelming it. Instead of heavy frames or bold prints, these lightweight natural arrangements provide subtle elegance. For example, vertically aligned sticks can draw the eye upward, making a room feel taller and more open. Horizontal arrangements, on the other hand, create a sense of calm and stability, perfect for living rooms or bedrooms where relaxation is key. Layering sticks in overlapping patterns can also add depth, creating a three-dimensional effect that changes depending on the angle of light throughout the day. Another inspiring idea is to use wood sticks to create geometric wall art. By arranging sticks into shapes like triangles, hexagons, or abstract grids, you can achieve a modern aesthetic while still maintaining a connection to nature. This fusion of organic material and structured design is what makes wood stick decor so versatile. It bridges the gap between rustic charm and contemporary style, allowing you to experiment with different looks depending on your personal taste. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist arrangement or a more intricate design, wood sticks can adapt to your vision effortlessly. Texture plays a huge role in interior design, and wood stick wall art introduces a tactile quality that instantly warms up a space. Smooth, polished sticks offer a refined and elegant look, while rough, weathered pieces bring a sense of authenticity and rustic appeal. Mixing different textures within one arrangement can create a dynamic composition that feels rich and visually engaging. This is especially effective in neutral-colored rooms, where the natural tones of wood can stand out without clashing with the existing palette. Color variation is another element that adds to the charm of wood stick decor. From light, sandy hues to deep, rich browns, each piece of wood carries its own unique shade. By combining sticks of varying tones, you can create a natural gradient effect that adds depth and dimension to your wall. Some designs may even incorporate subtle finishes or stains to enhance the wood's natural beauty, while still preserving its organic feel. The goal is not to overpower the material, but to highlight its inherent character. Lighting also plays a crucial role in showcasing wood stick wall art. When placed near natural light sources, the shadows cast by the sticks can create beautiful patterns that shift throughout the day. This interplay of light and shadow adds an extra layer of visual interest, turning your wall into a living piece of art. In the evening, soft ambient lighting can enhance the warmth of the wood, making the space feel cozy and inviting. This makes wood stick decor particularly well suited for areas where atmosphere is important, such as bedrooms, lounges, or reading nooks. For those who love a more artistic approach, abstract wood stick arrangements offer endless creative possibilities. Instead of following a specific pattern, you can experiment with different layouts until you find one that feels right. This process allows for a personal touch, making each piece truly one of a kind. Some designs may resemble natural forms like tree branches or flowing water, while others may take on a more sculptural quality. The freedom to create without strict rules is what makes this style so appealing. Incorporating other natural elements alongside wood sticks can further enhance the overall design. Materials like rope, twine, or even small pieces of metal can add contrast and interest. For example, binding sticks together with natural fibers can create a cohesive and earthy look, while adding metallic accents can introduce a modern edge. This combination of materials reflects a balanced design approach, where nature and contemporary elements coexist harmoniously. Wood stick wall decor is also an excellent choice for creating focal points within a room. A large, statement arrangement above a sofa or bed can anchor the entire space, drawing attention and setting the tone for the rest of the decor. Alternatively, smaller groupings can be used to create a gallery-style display, adding visual interest without dominating the room. The flexibility of scale allows you to tailor the design to fit your specific space and needs. Sustainability is another important aspect of this style. Using reclaimed wood or naturally fallen branches not only reduces waste, but also adds a meaningful story to your decor. Each piece becomes a reminder of nature's beauty and resilience, making your home feel more connected to the environment. This eco-friendly approach aligns perfectly with modern design trends that prioritize mindful living and conscious consumption. As you continue to explore these ideas, you'll realize that wood stick wall art is more than just decoration. It's a way to express creativity, embrace natural beauty, and create a space that feels truly unique. Whether you're drawn to simple, understated designs or bold, artistic compositions, there's no limit to what you can achieve with these versatile materials. The key is to let nature guide your creativity and to appreciate the beauty in imperfection. Now, if you're finding inspiration in these ideas and imagining how they could transform your own space, this is the perfect moment to take it a step further. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and share it with others who love creative and nature-inspired decor. Your support helps bring more inspiring ideas like these to life and keeps the creativity flowing. As we come to the end of this journey through nature-inspired wood stick wall art, it's clear that even the simplest materials can have a powerful impact on your home. By embracing natural textures, organic shapes, and creative arrangements, you can turn any wall into a beautiful expression of style and personality. Let these ideas inspire you to see the potential in everyday materials and to create spaces that feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Keep exploring, keep creating, and let nature continue to inspire your decor journey with Kuki Decor.